Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Page numbering in Microsoft Word is crucial for enhancing the organization and professionalism of a document. It allows readers to easily navigate lengthy texts, reference specific sections, and maintain a clear structure. Overall, effective page numbering contributes to a polished appearance, making documents more accessible and user-friendly. In this video tutorial, I will demonstrate how to number your pages in an X of Y format. We will explore two different methods, depending on whether your document already includes content in the header or footer areas. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really supports the channel. Let's dive in and make your page numbering look exactly how you envision it. I prepared a 5-page long sample Word document to vividly illustrate how the page X of Y style appears in practice. In this tutorial, we will recreate this format together, ensuring you can see exactly how it enhances the layout of your document. You will be able to visualize the final result as we work through each step. As I scroll down, you will see the page numbers displayed as 105, 205, 305 and so on, continuing this pattern until we reach 505. Let me switch to a Word document that currently does not have any page numbers. As I mentioned earlier, we have two methods to achieve our goal: the page number gallery and the field approach. The key difference between these methods is that the page number gallery option will remove any existing content in the header or footer areas, while field approach allows you to retain that content while styling your page numbering in the X of Y format. Now, let's get started by exploring the page number gallery option. First, navigate to the Insert tab in the ribbon and click on Page Number in the Header Footer section. From the drop-down menu, select where you would like the page number to appear on your pages. I will choose bottom of page and then scroll down to find the Page X of Y option. I will select bold number 3. As you can see, my page numbers display 105, 205, and so on, accurately reflecting the 5 pages in this document. This method is not only the easiest, but also works seamlessly, showcasing its effectiveness for formatting page numbers in the X of Y style. However, let's consider a scenario where you already have a content in the footer area. To demonstrate the next steps, I will first remove the current page number. To do this, go to the page number and select Remove Page Numbers, which is the last option in the drop-down list. Now, I will paste the pre-copied content in the footer area that says I will be removed automatically as soon as the page number is added using the page number gallery option. Next, let's repeat the process to add the page number. Click on the Insert tab in the ribbon, then navigate to Page Number and choose the desired location for the page number. Finally, select bold number 3. As you can see, the page number is added, but the existing content has been removed. Now, let's explore the second option, called Field. First, we need to remove the existing page number. With the footer area selected, click on Page Number and choose Remove Page Numbers from the drop-down menu. Next, return to the footer area. In my case, I will paste a pre-copied text that says, I'm not going anywhere. Now, position your cursor where you want the page number to appear. I will press the Tab key a few times to align the numbers in the bottom right corner. Then, I will type Page and press the Space key. Now, move to the Insert tab in the ribbon and navigate to Quick Parts in the text section. From the drop-down menu, select Field. In the pop-up window, scroll down on the left side to find and select Page. Then click on OK button in the bottom right corner. As you can see, it now displays page 1, and our text remains intact in the footer area. To continue, type Off, then press the Space key again. Next, go back to Quick Parts, select Fields once more, and in the pop-up window, find and select Num Pages. Click OK to apply the changes. Now, my page number is displayed as page 1 of 5, while preserving the existing content in the footer area. If I scroll down, you will notice that the following pages maintain the same style. Here is page 2 of 5, and here is page 3 of 5, and it keeps going. We have now reached the end of the tutorial. If you enjoyed this video or found it useful, please give it a like and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Got any questions or need further help? Drop a comment below and I'm here to help. Thanks for watching and see you next time.